How's it growing? Welcome back to Sapote Saporium. It's been a long cold winter and we're back with some new episodes to show you what's going on in the garden. So today I've got an old bushies trick to show you of how to plant a fruit tree. So I've got an established fruit tree called a Sapote. It's also called Sapodilla or Chico Sapote, and it produces beautiful tropical fruits which are like a brown sugar type of fruit, closely related to the Mammy Sapote. The thing about this tree is it's produced hundreds of flowers over the last few years, but it hasn't produced any fruit. So I've gone and bought another small Sapote from Daly's Fruit Nursery, and I'm going to plant it today. The idea is that the tree will hopefully grow up and intertwine through the other tree and produce lots of flowers itself, and we'll get a level of cross-pollination to our flowers, and hopefully we get some fruits in the not too distant future. So the technique we're going to use is we're going to dig a hole first. I've got some flathead carcasses, which is a fish that we've caught here. We've caught 10 of these fish actually, so I've got quite a lot of these carcasses. We made a soup out of them, we used the fillets to eat, and now we've got these carcasses which we bury in the hole that we dig for the small fruit tree, which is an old bushies trick from years ago, and it's a very successful way to get a lot of nutrients and bacteria and little organisms down into the root zone. We're also going to use some worm wee, which comes from our worm farm, and you'll see that we discard the disposable packaging from Daly's onto our worm farm, so it completes the cycle of life. So there you have it. We've completed the cycle here. We haven't thrown out any excess waste. We've used that, put it on our worm farm, breaks down and creates the nutrients that we then use to fertilise our little fruit tree. We'll give it some water, we'll protect it, and it'll grow up, and hopefully those flowers will pollinate each other and we'll end up with some beautiful fruit. I hope you found that interesting. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos on our garden and how we have some of these backyard hacks, and in particular how we like to grow our fruit trees in a subtropical environment like here in Sydney. Thanks for watching.